Here is one funny explanation a Reddit user gave to the question of why Cardano is hated in the crypto space. The user stated, "Long ago, Ethereum thought it was an only child. Then one day, blockchain had another baby and named it Cardano. Ethereum got all angry at suddenly having a challenger and having to compete for the love of the blockchain, and so the envy-driven hatred has raged on ever since." Well, Cardano and Ethereum have always been concluded to be in a feud, but that's not even what we're talking about in this video. Recently, Dan Garmedello, a Cardano enthusiast and crypto capital venture founder, made an interesting prediction on the ADA price. In a tweet, Garmedello predicted that the minimum all-time high for Cardano in the next bull cycle will be $7.80. However, he did not elaborate on what might have influenced his decision and belief on the Cardano price, although his later tweets may provide a hint. Specifically, he tweeted, $7.80 ADA minimum all-time high in the next bull market. Save this tweet, #Cardano ADA. According to Dan Garmedello, as banks and financial systems fail, the emphasis will shift to cryptocurrency. He also believes that the actual crypto bull market will begin in about a year. Let's say Garmedello is accurate about his prediction. This means that from its current price, Cardano must increase almost 2,400% before it attains the target of $7.80. Right now, this might seem like a lofty speculation. However, it should be understood that the crypto market never fails to surprise. Nonetheless, where the market is headed next remains an open question. ADA Will, a Cardano community-focused Twitter account, believes in the potential of a bull run for Cardano. On Twitter, they mentioned that every bull run begins with a narrative, citing that the last bull run for Cardano was fueled by the Shelley staking narrative. ADA Will believes that the next Cardano bull run might be triggered by the increasing DeFi TVL. As TVL increases, predicting $1 billion, the narrative will feed on itself, and then continue, and the bull run will begin from there as Cardano trades significantly below the previous all-time highs of $3 that was established in September of 2021. His tweet read, "Every bull run starts with a narrative. The last one for Cardano was Shelley staking. The next problem is TVL, way below the previous all-time high of $3, and lower daily as ADA TVL grows, it hits $1 billion. From there, the narrative will feed on itself, just the way these things work." The bull run, according to ADA Will, is not something expected anytime soon, not even in the remaining months of 2023. In the Will's judgment, the expectation expressed was not just a 2023 story, further suggesting that patience might be needed. The overall value of crypto assets deposited in a decentralized finance system, or DeFi protocols in general, is known as the total value locked. As reported, crypto venture capital founder Dan Garmedello stated that the growth in total value locked on Cardano will prove to be the most obvious leading indicator of the incoming ADA price increase. Simply put, DeFi is now the real gold for the Cardano ecosystem. It has significant leverage. Generally, where things get interesting for Cardano is decentralized finance. There is no debate about that. As noted, recent Cardano upgrades have focused on smart contract functionality, and this is the key to success in the DeFi world. At the beginning of the year, Cardano promised to make significant improvements in DeFi, and we are just now starting to see the fruits of these labors. For example, in January of 2023, Cardano launched a new stablecoin that will make it much easier for traditional finance players to get started in DeFi on the Cardano blockchain. Cardano has also seen the blooming of new decentralized exchanges for trading digital assets. As a result, Cardano has seen a dramatic uptick in its total value locked metric, which is a key indicator of how much Cardano is locked on the blockchain in the form of DeFi protocols. Until this year, Cardano was a non-player in DeFi, but now there's been a turnaround. Also, this newfound DeFi prowess is leading to new partnerships, innovations, and new potential avenues for growth. For example, Cardano has partnered with Credius, a Zurich-based fundraising platform, on a new lending initiatives for Swiss companies. This would not have been possible a year ago, and now that Cardano is pushing the envelope with innovations such as Cardano Bitcoin, it's possible to use Bitcoin on the Cardano blockchain. In March, the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, was excited about a spat of growth in the Cardano DeFi ecosystem. He responded to a user who posted information on Cardano's TVL breaking out. According to data from DeFi Llama, at the time, the total value locked reached 393.98 million ADA, the highest since March of 2022. Plus, stablecoins have also been budding well in the Cardano ecosystem. So far, stablecoins have been one of the most controversial areas of the cryptocurrency industry. But this has not deterred industry leaders from bringing about new peg tokens built on a secure foundation. The main utility of stablecoins is to keep away from the turbulence of pure-play cryptocurrencies. However, there was discouragement from the infamous Terra USD crash last May, which turned out to be not just another failed stablecoin experiment, but also morphed into a catalyst for the catastrophic turn of events that followed later in 2022. Upon its arrival, Cardano's JED was touted as the first stablecoin protocol where stability claims are precisely and mathematically stated and proven. Algorithmic stablecoins are typically partially under-collateralized, but JED was targeted at maintaining stability by being 400 to 800% over-collateralized at all times. The official site also revealed that the contract had enough money to buy back all the JED stablecoins in circulation for $1 worth of the backing asset, thus maintaining the peg, unlike Terra Luna. And aside from being fully backed and over-collateralized with a significant reserve ratio, JED was also autonomous, also in contrast to Terra, where the network was halted at some point and the Bitcoin reserves were managed manually. Cardano saw JED amass pretty gains. In February 2023, there was a report that JED had attracted over 27 million Cardano ADA tokens as backing less than a day after launch, according to data. Now, to Ethereum, is the network doing anything different from Cardano? Well, DeFi is rich in the Ethereum ecosystem. Ethereum is a decentralized finance giant that has seen significant growth over the past few years, spurred on by events like the DeFi summer and the rise of non-fungible tokens. However, it is mostly concluded that Ethereum's popularity may lead to its downfall, as other protocols look to eat away or completely consume its market position. Furthermore, the TVL metric is often used to judge the growth of a DeFi network, and recent reports from Messari, a crypto intelligence platform, have shown that the TVL of Ethereum and Cardano have been on the rise despite the bearish crypto market. According to Messari, the TVL of Cardano has increased 198.6% year to date. Cardano now has more than $175 million locked in its DeFi ecosystem. The increase in TVL has helped Cardano move from the 34th position to the 21st in overall TVL across all blockchains. Messari linked the growth of Cardano's DeFi ecosystem to the launch of stablecoins, improved programming languages, and new wallets. And on the other hand, Ethereum still dominates DeFi space as the leading network. The explosive growth of Cardano Ethereum is considered impressive due to the recent price drop in crypto prices. With the prices of Ethereum and Cardano forecasted to recover by the end of 2023, the TVL locked in the respective chains could increase further. Cardano might be set to perform better than Ethereum in terms of DeFi, but not anytime soon, but it is possible. One of the positive indications of this prediction is that there are suddenly signs of life on the Cardano blockchain. Until recently, the main complaint about Cardano is that it might be a world-class blockchain from a theoretical and technical perspective, but nobody was building on top of it. However, technological upgrades last year and now this year have fundamentally pumped the potential of the Cardano blockchain. Before September 2021, Cardano couldn't even support smart contracts, but of course, now it can. And when we talk about Cardano competing with Ethereum, many factors influences Cardano's price to compete with Ethereum's. Improving support for smart contracts in decentralized applications attracts more developers and users. The price will increase if there is high demand for the cryptocurrency and a limited supply, and of course vice versa. Plus, Cardano has a robust ecosystem that allows developers to build dApps and small contracts on its platform, and has a low transaction fee, making it more affordable for users. The scalability factor of Cardano is also influenced its price. It can handle a large number of transactions quickly and efficiently. Ethereum, on the other hand, faces scalability issues, but last time we checked, its transition to a smart contract platform changed this narrative. Ethereum's survival in the bear market periods could bring important lessons for Cardano to learn and set a pace for further development as well. Competition is quite unnecessary. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you hit the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.